Now, guys, let's make a flying bird. Okay, so let's make a flying bird with hand gesture like this. So two fingers together like this, and the thumb open here. Just make it in this direction. And just a V shape here. And a curved line here, and our bird is ready. At least the structure of our bird is ready. And here what we can do is make the beak of the bird like this. Make the eye of the bird like this. Some design on the neck, and like this, and some feathers coming inward like this. And let's not forget the legs of the bird. Like this. If you feel like outlining your bird structure, you can do so. Like this.